In this video, I am going to show you my treadmill routine for beginners coming up. A lot of people end up selling their treadmills because they don't use it and it seems boring to them. But I am going to show you my treadmill routine that'll get you moving and burning those calories. Hello Healthinistas, and welcome to my channel 50 something. My name is Bernice. On this channel I give you health and wellness tips for women over 50, inside and out. I give you kidney donor updates on myself and funny stories with my daughter. So if this is your first time here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. But don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any time I upload. If you watch this video until the end, I have a bonus for you that's gonna have you laughing so hard.
Before you start, make sure you have your water and a towel. That will help if you are going to be sweating. But I want you to start slowly. First, start on the outside of the treadmill and then slowly increase the speed from 2 to 3 miles per hour. Put on your 2-pound walking weight, and at this point you should be at 3 miles per hour. We are going to stay at this speed throughout the workout. I do have a workout earlier that I did that stays at 4 miles per hour. So if you're willing or you want to try that, you can. Now, don't be discouraged by the fact that I move my arms while you're trying to walk at the same time. It takes some practice, but you can do it. Really, truly, honestly, you can. When I started, I couldn't keep my balance, but you will be able to keep your balance, and that helps because we need to be able to have endurance, balance, strength, and definitely flexibility. So this helps you. Now follow my arm movement. If punching is a little bit too much, then keep it at the normal walking pace, which is just your elbow bent and then back and forth. I know you can do it. You are doing an amazing job already. You can do this. Don't forget to breathe in and blow out through your mouth. Inhale through your nose and blow it out through your mouth. Now punch to the side with your 2-pound weight. Just being able to vary these hand movements is key in toning your arms. It works on your biceps, your triceps, and your deltoids. And now back to the normal position. And now we're curling up. You can totally do this. You got this. I know you can do it. You can conquer this. Back to the normal position. You're a rock star. You got this. Keep going. Keep going. And then to the side and punch. You got it. You got it. You can do it. You can totally do this. If a 54-year-old can do this, anyone can do it. You got this. If you start out and the pace is too fast at 3 miles per hour, you can always take it down to 2.5 and walk at that pace. Definitely working on triceps now. But it also is working your biceps. That's the beauty of arm exercises. Give this a try. I don't want you to just sit there and watch this. It's not a spectator sport. It's for you to get up, get on the treadmill, and work with it. Now, if you don't have a treadmill, you can actually just walk in place at home and still do the arm movement. But on this video, mimic the arm movement and just walk in place, and that'll work just fine. No excuses. Let's go, let's go. You got this. I'm seeing those arms tone as you're working it. Let's go, let's go. Back to curling up. Now definitely, if you want to burn more calories, increase the speed. And if you can still coordinate everything, go ahead and increase the speed to 4 miles per hour or 3.5 miles per hour. Baby steps. You can totally do this. You got this. Now we're going to put the weight down because I would like for you to increase the speed to 5 miles per hour, and we're going to sprint, and that's going to be your HIIT. That's going to be your high intensity. So we're going to run at 5 miles per hour for 1 minute. Don't forget to breathe. Inhale through your nose and blow it out through your mouth. Steady in and out. 5 miles per hour. You can do this. You totally have this. Pretty soon you'll be pushing it up to 6. You might want to check out that second video when you're ready for it. Alright, so we do that for about a minute. Let's not spill our water. Keep going. Alright, now you can decrease the speed back down to your 3 miles per hour. And this time we're going to do our arm movements without the weight. We're going to start with our fingers. I prefer, well, it's a little bit funny that I like to put some variety into everything that I do. But this really helps out, especially if you're over 50 and you feel that hint of arthritis. This really helps just loosen your hands, make it easier to grab things, to work with things. It's an awesome workout. And then we can punch, make a fist and punch the side. Just don't punch your face. You can totally do this. You got this. You come this far, keep going. Curl up. Awesome. You're doing an amazing job. Now we're punching. Like I said, if the punching is too much, I don't want you to fall off the treadmill. So if punching is too much, then just walk normally. Just have your arms in a normal walk position or punch to the side. You're doing great. We're getting there. Not too much longer. Breathe in through your nose, blow it out through your mouth. Curl up. Actually, extend your arms backwards and then bring it up. You got this. Rock star, you got this. As you get more confident, you can do variations of this. You're getting there. This looks easy until you do it for a little bit of time and you feel the fatigue in your muscle and you know you're toning your muscles. Yeah, I know, I do a little bit too much sometimes. You can just keep it in the front and just flex it. You don't have to go through this wheel. You're getting there. You're almost there. We're almost to the end. You're doing great. Don't give up on me now. Hang in there. You're almost there. Now I want you to slow it down to about 2.5 because we're coming off the treadmill. So I want to slow down the speed. 2.5, take it down to 2. And then you can hit stop. No incline throughout this whole thing.
Question: did you find this workout to be easy or hard? Leave your answers in the comments. I love to read them.